that God has put within you a life message that only you can deliver because of your experiences, your story, your personality, all the things that weave together to make you. That is your unique contribution to the world, your message.
I skipped out on Tony Robbins and Dean Graciosi's Impact Accelerator because this is better.
But the idea of clear, concise, making a big impression really caught me, and I thought, I can do this better. There's something I can learn here.
Getting clear on my message.
Oh my goodness, Lisa, you're amazing. Again, this was a divine appointment assignment.
I needed to, first of all, find my voice, take it back. I needed to own my story. So I needed to not just give information, but evoke transformation. Because I believe part of your life story is key to unlocking your life calling. And it drives the passion that you have, whether you realize it or not.
I really enjoy working with you. You're extremely positive. You're always encouraging. And I recommend this program highly to anyone who's interested in improving their speaking skills, whether for professional endeavors or just to be able to communicate their opinions more clearly.
You will be signing up to work with somebody who is effective at pulling the gold out of people. And if you are considering working with her, what you will discover in terms of tools is going to just empower you to go into the next level with the goals that you have regarding writing or public speaking.
Lisa is a gifted coach at giving feedback. And I'll be honest, you do have to have a thick skin if you're going to be coached.
Part of my story was that I was terrified to speak. Here I am today training you to speak with a passion. Because I know God has called me to do that, to unlock your heart, to unlock your ability to express what God has put in your heart.